We want to say thank you to Craig Henderson for putting this together. Thank you to F-Dog, give it up for the staff, fire management, light, sound, and a great round of applause for all the entertainers that worked for free tonight for LaWanda Jackson. Thank you, God bless you, to her family. Good night, tip your bartenders. We made over $2,500 tonight for LaWanda. I think it's amazing.
Hold on 1 second. Okay, good. Hey, guys, you know what? Here's the deal. I've known Bubba for many, many years. I've known the family. I've known Craig. I've tried not to cry tonight. I've worked at this bar for 3 years. I left. I love the owners. But guys, at this time, I think it's very important that we bring the owner of this bar up, correct? Yeah! Can we get Lauren Palchuk up here, please? Erwin?
Is he here?
He's coming up. And as you know, LaWanda Jackson is my drag mother. I love her to death and stuff. But you know what? I always remember where I came from. And sometimes it's about being proper instead of being accepted. And I want to say tonight, this man has done a great job to raise money for a beautiful person. So, Erwin Palchuk, if you'll please come here real quick. Come here. Shay Shay Larice, for Miss Gay US of A. She has something to say tonight, honey. She flew in late. We were at the hotel, her hospital together and stuff. But I want to say one thing real quick. I may not be Miss USA. I am a former Miss Texas. But girls, tonight has been amazing for one person. It's called Wendell Jackson. So, Shay Shay, I would like you to say something because on behalf of LaWanda, she wanted you to say something tonight.
She wanted us to tell you guys that sometimes in life you have to realize who your really friends are. And you never know what it's like to be in a situation like that. As older people, because she's not old, but when you're in a position where you have to rely on someone else, you lose your independency. Okay? She told me to tell all of you, as she's been telling me every week and keeping you updated. This is my first time today seeing her because I've been so busy. And I feel guilty for not being there right away when I was on a plane flying to Florida. But she knew that I'm always going to be there for her. And she said to me to tell you guys that sometimes in life you have to make sure who your friends are. Because when you fall down, you're going to make, who's going to pick you up are your real friends. And she wanted me to thank all the entertainers that were here today that traveled all over this country. Locally, Coco and Cartier drove from Indianapolis, Indiana in a car. And she wanted to thank you as much, Erwin. She said, please make sure you tell him that thank you so much. Okay? Because you don't know what it's like to be there. And when I saw her today, I didn't know how bad it was before, but her left leg, she can actually walk. And today she looked at me, she said, Shay Shay, look at my left arm. And when she lifted the arm, it dropped like that. And we laughed together. I said, what? I said, girl, you're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. So all the prayers that you guys have put on Facebook is a genuine, what I want to say is something, it's a living proof that all the positive energy that you put on Facebook is real. Thank you.
And the last thing I want to say, guys, on behalf of LaWanda Jackson, there are two people from Amarillo, Texas. Stand up, guys. David and Kevin. These men have been behind her 100%. Guys, when she was down and out, they didn't know her because she's never been down and out. These are two men, honey, guys, Amarillo, Texas. We love you. These are the reasons that we do things. And on behalf of the family and Craig Henderson and his mother and everyone who ever believed in us, thank you for being an F4 tonight because of one person, Erwin Palchuk. And guys, we raised money for one person, and what is her name?
And there's 3 more benefits in the country still coming up, baby.
Good night, guys. We love you. DJ play some music.